Hi guys, in this video I show you how to use the photo editor in Windows 11 to remove any person or object on photos. Let's open, for example, this picture. Click on Edit and then on Erase. Here you have the Generative Erase feature. You can use Auto Apply. It means if I turn on Auto Apply and I mark one object, for example, after releasing the mouse click, it will auto apply this effect. But if I keep it like offline, I need to press like erase here. Let's keep it on and mark this bottle. It means I want to remove the bottle. So just wait a few seconds, erasing area or object, and perfect job guys. You see the bottle is totally invisible. It seems like it's never been there because also the background is the same, yeah. That's AI guys, crazy but possible. Let's try another one. For example, this knife here. Marking the knife, letting go, erasing area or object in the selection, and wow, also pretty good job. Let's try one which is a little bit more difficult. This glass, for example. So bigger areas always a little bit more difficult, guys. But it's also possible, as you will see here. Let it go and alright, you can see a little portion. Yeah, the chair is not perfectly matched, but guys, if you put here again, marking again, letting go, erasing, yes, it will be adjusting it a little bit and make it more smooth and everything. But you still have some parts of the chair missing. But guys, that's AI. It cannot be perfect maybe in some cases. But yeah, it's worth trying if you want to remove something. As you can see, the bottle or the knife totally disappeared, guys. Let's try another picture. Leave without saving, okay. Let's try this one because this is also very hard. Edit and erase. We are going to try to remove this woman and the luggage completely, guys. So make the brush bigger, for example, and let's try to remove her. Mark everything and yeah, let's do it like that. All right. And oh, as you can see, I was leaving here a small portion, so this is happening. Let's go back and try again, because this can also happen with you guys. So maybe it's good that you have seen it, because you must really cover up everything to make the result better. Let's cover everything. So now it should be done. All right. Okay, let's wait a few seconds, erasing area or object, and yes, you can see the luggage color still there. It looks like, I don't know, like a painting or almost. So if you want to have it smoother, we are going to try to make it again. Everything which is looking a little bit strange, we can try to cover again. Wait a second. Alright, you can see already. Okay, the backside of this picture is not visible very much, but if you look at it, it looks like almost okay, yeah. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this generative erase feature. I love it, for example, because it's free and it's really working. Okay guys, see you next time.